Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello everybody, how are you all? So in today's video, I'll be talking about the classroom objects. The objects that we talk about when, we're talking about any school, your class and subjects. So, it's en la mochila para la clase. I'll repeat, en la mochila para la clase. So, in the backpack for the class. So, what objects do we actually use in the school that we actually pack up in our school bag as well? So first I'll be taking up the vocabulary, and in the next video I'll be taking up some more statements, some general question answers or the statements. So let's start with the vocabulary. The first word, book, which is called un libro. It is masculine. An eraser, it is una goma. Next, pencil is un lápiz, and pencils is lápices. Next, notebook is called cuaderno. Diary is called agenda. A trick to learn this is in diary you always jot down the points, so kind of the agenda for the meeting and also hence agenda is what it will be easy for you to learn. Next, pencil box, estuche, pen, bolígrafo, file, carpeta. Scale is called regla. Another trick over here to learn scale is, with a scale you draw a straight line, which is a regular line, hence regla. Sharpener, sacapuntas. Dictionary, diccionario. Fountain pen, pluma. Student is called alumno or alumina or estudiante. Homework is called deberes. Board, the blackboard is called pizarra. Door is called puerta. Chair is called silla. L is y over here. Double L makes a sound y, silla. Next, window is called ventana and dustbin is called papelera. Now, a trick over here is that in the dustbin we put the papers, right? Paper is called papel in Spanish. So, dustbin will be papelera. Computer is ordenador. Now, a thing that I would like to mention over here, see, every word is either masculine, feminine, singular or plural. Like sharpener is always considered as it's always taken up in the plural form. So we need to know, it is very important in fact to know which word is masculine, which is feminine. At times our basic rule of ending with A is feminine and ending with O is masculine word, that works, but not always. So we need to memorize it very nicely, that which is a masculine word, which is a feminine, and if there are some exceptions to it, and also that where it has to be used in pairs. Like example, if I give you about clothes, also pants are always said in a pair, right? Similarly here, sharpener is always in a pair, so it's sacapuntas. Another word that I can remember right now is scissors, so it's tijeras, so that is always in a pair form, so it's not singular, it's not tijera, but it's tijeras. These are some of the words that I thought that I should put down, and are very basic words that one should know when we are learning about the classroom objects. If you like my video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Adios.